Okay, because of the cost of the ammunition, I want to practice more with my 22 instead of 9mm. Now the only problem is the red dot on my 22. It's sitting way too high. So if you look at it, you can see this is where the iron sight is supposed to be, but the actual red dot is a little bit over inch high. Practicing with this and switching to 9mm can be very confusing because 9mm, you could actually see the sight right through the red dot. So I was looking for a red dot that would see lowest possible, maybe not lowest this, but lowest possible, and I found one. Okay, some of you might laugh at me for this, but this is called Fiyachi, and right here it says made in China. But nowadays everything is made in China. But I had a pretty good review on it, and the regular price was like $68, but they had it on sale for like free shipping. Since I'm only gonna use it on my 22, I think it should be fine, but we'll never know until we try it out. All right, let's take a look. Well, it's got a decent box. Cover. It came with extra battery with the Allen wrench. Yeah, it's sitting really low. Oh wow, much better. Also fits into my new holster just fine. Okay, I'm gonna take 10 shots at the left low target where there was hole, so I covered that up. But just want to let you know. Okay, let's take a look. Man, it's great. Okay, this is 25 yards. That's 10 shot group, not bad at all. I did one click to the right, and that's the next 5 shots, so I'm on it. When I took it for a run, and having a lower mounted red dot was so much easier to point and find the target. Take a look. Clear. 18.62 seconds. So far, I'm happy with the Fiyachi. And for 22, I think it should be fine. And lastly, like always, thank God for what you have in your life with what you got. But sometimes, you don't need the top of the line for 22. See you.